Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make money with Webull. Open a Webull account and complete identity verification to unlock trading and paper trading features right away. Learn to combine basic research, risk management, and position sizing to protect capital. We will cover scanning for ideas, setting stop losses, and using margin carefully so you can trade with more confidence and fewer surprises. Start by using Webull's screener to find stocks matching your criteria, then narrow choices by liquidity and volatility. Look for clear catalysts like earnings or analyst upgrades that can move price. Combine technical support and resistance with a defined entry, and stop so every trade has a plan and a risk limit to protect your account from large, unexpected losses. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical investing guides. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and pairs nicely with active tools like Webull. It explains saving, low-cost investing, and long-term thinking in plain language. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Manage risk by sizing positions so a stop loss equals a small, fixed percent of your account, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Place limit orders to get cleaner fills and avoid chasing prices, then set stops and profit targets to automate exits. Review trades weekly, journal outcomes, and adjust your plan based on real results to steadily improve execution and returns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.